Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam and this is Miriam's Way. Today, products today, and I'm gonna use it before I do my makeup, and I'm gonna take it off with you guys to let you guys see it. It's new, never been opened yet, so I really don't know what I'm gonna feel about it, but I love Rihanna, so might be a good thing. So I'm gonna start off using the Total Cleanser. It's a removing all cleanser, total makeup cleanser. It's a facial cleanser and a makeup remover. So I like that it's just twist open and twist close. I like that part about it, so you don't have to try to fumble with the top, look for the top, and it's easy for travel because you can just twist it, untwist it. Okay, so let's put a little bit on my hand. It smells good and it's pink. One of my favorite colors. Can you guys see that? And it's like creamy. It's like a creamy consistency. So I'm just gonna put this on my face. You always want to wash your face for at least 60 seconds, and I just want to rub it in. I like the way it smells. It smells really nice. So if you haven't watched my previous video of how I prep my skin for my makeup, I'll go and check that video out. I will leave it in the cards above. And I did use my Clear Cell this morning on my face because I was getting a little bit of breakouts, if you guys can see that a little bit. So I did use a little bit on my skin, my face, early in the morning, kind of like 5 o'clock. So I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be right back. The lighting was, something was wrong with the lighting. But anyway, I feel like I didn't have to do 2 washes on this with this Total Cleanser. It didn't make my skin feel stripped of any of the oils. It feels very clean. I did wash on my neck also, and I like the way it feels. So what we're gonna try next is the fat water. A little bit ain't fat water. So let's see if it can make your face feel like juicy plump. And it's also a serum, which I love serums. So I'm just gonna the smell of it kind of smells like I could get some type of alcohol or something, or peroxide. I don't know what's the smell of it, but it has a funny smell to it. It does have a funny smell. Not sure what's the smell on there. Carry on. Let that dry. I already installed the moisturizer off camera. It does have SPF 30 in it, so it's good for going outside. It's good for using under your makeup, and it is pink, just like the Total Cleanser, and it's very creamy. And she said it doesn't leave like a white residue on your face like all the other moisturizers. But let's see. It smells so good. Kind of like some type of fruity candy or something. I don't think my skin is sensitive to like I don't think my skin is sensitive to scented stuff. But we will see after I put on my makeup and go out to the park. I'm gonna see how it does on my skin, and then I'm going to take it off with the same Fenty tonight. Okay guys, so it's the end of the day and I'm about to take my makeup off using the Fenty, and I'm so sweaty. I just worked out. I'm about to take a shower, but I just want to test this total cleanser to see if it's going to remove all my makeup and all the sweat and everything. And I am going to be using my facial steamer so that it can open up my pores and get cleanse my face deeply, because I have been breaking out a little bit. And I'm also going to be using my Claricel wipes along with my Fenty. Not total Fenty by itself. Sorry. Yeah. On top to top. And I already showed you previously what it looks like, so we don't have to really get into that part. Rub it on in my hands, and it says it's supposed to be like a makeup remover and a facial cleanser. So let's see, Fenty, if I have to. I might have to. I always double cleanse, so let's see how much makeup it took off with just one cleanse. I haven't put no water on my face, so I'm about to. So if you guys can see this. Okay, so I'm about to go in with my Claricel wipes and just like press this in my skin because of the hormonal acne I've been having. I didn't feel like I needed to wash again. I don't think, do y'all see any makeup left on here? I think I got, with that one rinse, I think I got all the makeup off, but I am using this wipe, so if it is some more residue left from makeup, this wipe should be able to get it out, hopefully. Okay, so I feel like I need to do another cleanse because I do have acne prone skin and I don't want to break out anymore. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of it in, turn my steamer back on. This steamer is like super hot, so but this is the second rinse, the second cleanse, and I feel like I'm gonna get everything off with the second one. To get everything off with the second one, Fenty, I should, but just in case I'm going to do a third time. Probably gonna need a third time. Twice should be good. And make sure you do massaging your face at least 60 seconds or more if you want to. I'm going to keep my pressure steamer on, put on the fat water next. I'll be right back. Let me wash this off my face and see how the fat water does at night. Moving on to the fat water. So it is a toner slash serum. So it says nostalgic with your palms of your hand. That's what I did earlier. I still have my steamer on. It's really lightweight, so I feel like you can see your skin still. Next is, I'll turn my steamer off. Next is the moisturizer with SPF 30. Still smell the same, still creamy. I don't know if it's because I used the steamer, but I feel like some type of burning sensation all right here on my nose. I don't know if it's the stuff that's in the ingredients that's in there. That's it for my Fenty first day impressions. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, Marian's Way, and stay tuned for more videos.